Ooh-wee, that 50-degree weather left. Our little flag over there just going. Glad I went to the store today. There wasn't no bread on the shelves whatsoever. But, I got a feeling this stuff is going to come in a little sooner than what I think. And last forecast said ice was coming in. Pray for us. I pray this stuff goes elsewhere. I'll deal with the snow. But the ice is a no-go. Anybody in this path, keep them in your prayers, boys and girls. I know y'all hear that wind through them trees. It's gonna get crazy.